Question 100 of the ID Pass for exam from PhilNITS. We are now in the strategy portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, when the software lifecycle is divided into the planning process, the requirements definition process, the development process, and the operation process, which of the following is the process where the system functions that users and stakeholders require are clarified and consensus is built on the basis of a computerization plan? Okay, so this one actually, I think it took me a little bit longer to identify the technique to answer this, because when you read it, you just go through the words very quickly and then um, you're stuck. It's like you don't know what's the next thing to do. But if you read it again, you'll find that we have something here about the life cycle. The software life cycle is divided into planning process, requirements, definition process, development process, operation process. And what we want to know is the process where the system functions that users and stakeholders require are clarified and consensus is built on the basis of a computerization plan. Actually, this part, um, in the end, I didn't really quite use this part as much until the end, that one. Because what I focused on was, okay, it looks like we got to choose which process from the life cycle will be the answer. And it seems like what we are looking for is the process where the system functions required by the users and stakeholders are clarified. And if we look at the choices that we got here, planning process, requirements definition process, development and operation processes, it's either planning or requirements. But I think in the end, because we have the requirements part here and it's about the definition of the requirements, and it's a process where we clarify exactly what the requirements are, then it turns out that the best answer would be letter B. Because again, what we want is to clarify the requirements from the users and stakeholders. And so because of that, the rest of the choices that we got here are not really the answers that we're looking for. And the best answer would really be the requirements definition process. Okay, so letter B is the correct answer.